Morning. Happy Tuesday. I wanted to make this quick video for those of you out there that might not be aware that our toolbox here inside of PromptROI has gotten a lot beefier. We have 6 tools in here total. I just want to go over them real quickly here. Keep this video nice and short. We have a 7th tool that's getting added, I believe, today, and I'll tell you what that is at the end of the video. And these tools are really cool. Now, everything that you can do inside of PromptROI's, all of the functionality with prompts and copilots, soon to be wizards, and the AI chat functionality, all of that stuff has all this functionality built into it. But we wanted a place where you can just go to get things that you want done quickly. Especially the 7th one that's getting added. It's going to be one I'm going to use a lot because I requested it because I do a lot of this activity. So the first one is voiceover, right? Let's just go in here. I think they're removing voice, title, and description because in this toolbox, it doesn't really save it in here. You can save it yourself and download it. But we go in here and essentially, quickly, just to show you, you can choose a voice. You can test them out, write something in, hit the button, see what they sound like. You can write what you want or paste what you want this voiceover to say inside this box, or I can just say it like this. Hello, how are you? I'm Alloy. Now it's going to pop the words right in here and hit that button. Then it's going to generate. I'm Alloy. Oh, 1L, that's why, right? So it pops it down here, and then you can just go ahead, Alloy, and then hit download. Doop. And there you go. So that's the voiceover. You can try those out. Very helpful for many, many different situations, including creating your own prompts inside of our system and putting an audio with them. Model for images, we got DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3. If this becomes a highly used tool, we can add more image models in here. Image description, basically, what do you want an image of? Obviously, many of you know that prompting is important. So if you wanted to get a prompt, you could go over to PromptROI.ai and get basically type in what you want the image to be about, and it will write you prompts. We have prompts that write image prompts essentially. Let's say image of the Golden Gate Bridge from across the water on a sunny Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Okay. I want one image, and you can choose the sizes here. Let's just go with 1024 by 1024. So this is a really easy place to come in and grab an image, right? I need an image. I want to come in, get an image quick and go. Now, yes, there are prompts in the, collections and throughout our retail store that you can use. But essentially, this will allow you to come in and just kind of use this tool fast and easy right out of the gate. Grab an image, click on it. It opens it up. That's pretty. Click Save Image As. Golden Gate at 7 a.m. Save it. Boom. Done. Okay. So now we get an image real quick. So that's the image. That's text to image. And then we have image to text, which is cool. So I can upload an image. Let's go grab the Golden Gate Bridge. And let's say, please describe what this image is. Hit generate. Now it's going to go and basically give us a description of what this image is. A neat game that you can play is you can take that description and then go back over to image to text, right? So we can go copy. It says an image of, let's go in here. Whoops. Image of the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. The view is taken from an elevated perspective, capturing the whole span of the bridge, yada, yada. You can pause it if you want to read it. But I could go back over here, and then I could paste this in, and I could hit generate response. And essentially, you could get a description of an image and then use that description to generate a new image, right? So sort of meta inception type stuff going on here. So we'll let that run for a second here. Okay, there it goes. Boom. Now you can see it's slightly different. It gives us sort of like a, very different look here. But anyway, that is how that works. The next one is Web Surfer. I love this. You can put a single link in here. Sorry, guys. You can put a single link in here and put the link in and then surf the web and write a prompt to get information from that. Or you can just do a complete web surf and enter a topic. So I like to go like this. Latest AI news across the web. and then web surf. So basically first I have to extract that information. So I click this extract button here. It's going to give me the information that I asked for in the web surf topic. And it says data extracted successfully. I can prompt it now. So now that I have that extracted, it doesn't show up anywhere, but I can now prompt. So I'm going to say, give me the top 3 news stories for AI and business. Generate. And then here we go, right? So Alibaba Cloud launches English version of AI Model Hub, right? Broadcom's AI surge challenges NVIDIA's dominance. Ooh, that's juicy. XAI secured Dell technology and Supermicro support for supercomputer projects. So these are 3. Now, if you're the person that writes content, this is a dream right here, right? Because you can come in here and grab these and then go run other prompts to create content and then just literally have a systematic approach to everything that you do that will turn the time it takes, from, basically knock it down by a 10th. You'll spend a 10th of the time with good systems in place. Otherwise, you'll spend more time if you don't have good systems. But this is a pretty good system, right? I mean, if you're going to build this into your daily content creation. So there you go. Boom. Chat with PDF. This is cool. Now, you can chat with PDF in the AI chat. You can also go and chat with a PDF inside of other applications inside PromptROI, but we put it here just so you can come in, upload a document, and try it out, right? You can go here, upload PDF. So let's just go PDF. And let's see, 64 categories of information, 3-step writing framework. Let's upload that. And then let's say, please summarize this document and give me the most crucial information I need to gain from it. Generate. And again, it could be any question you want to ask, but essentially it's going to go ahead and it's going to let me chat with this PDF, grab some information. And then if I want to, I can take this PDF and go turn it into what we call copilots. So I can take this PDF, upload it to a copilot, call it the writing framework copilot, and then I can start chatting with that, let my users chat with that, and get myself, have myself a nice tool for whatever it is. It could be a PDF on anything, right? It could be, 100-page PDF on writing headlines, right? And then you use that to write headlines, right? It's fine tuning the model using documentation. And it's actually quite amazing. So let's give this a second to finish up here. There we go. Documents a guide for a 3-step writing framework focusing on developing. Let's pull this over here. Okay. So now I just noticed. Oh, there we go. Action. So the first thing is reaction. Second thing, action. Third thing is takeaway. Okay. So it gives me this summary that I asked for, right? So that's what the chat with PDF does. Very fun. And then code generator is beyond me because I'm not a coder, but wow, have I been creating some crazy stuff. Creating JavaScript to animate your website, CSS to basically stylize your web copy and your website, HTML to generate actual HTML copy, and then a bunch of other languages here. So I could say one thing that we do that's kind of cool is I can take web copy, paste it in here and say, create a landing page for me with this web copy, right? And so I could say, hello world, this is my website. Here are my services, service 1, service 2, service 3, and then hit generate. So essentially this is going to go ahead and it's going to give me HTML. And then I can copy this code and go put it somewhere where this will render. Okay. Unbelievable. I love this tool. I'm actually learning how to code using this. So anyway, that's it. I know this video is 9 minutes long, but I hope you can see that the toolbox has a lot of great tools in here. The next one that's coming in here is going to be the transcription. So you're going to be able to upload an MP3 and you're going to be able to have that MP3 transcribed for you. And it's going to be amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting that in there. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for the transcription. Again, you can upload an MP3, pull it in there, get all of that transcribed for you. And I believe the developers are working on a way to do that with video as well inside here. So the toolbox is going to continue to expand. By the way, this toolbox is just one little piece of PromptROI. It's really not PromptROI. It's just a fun little area that we built for you to have fun or get work done or get things, learn things, and get what you need. Right. The bulk of our program is going to lie back inside of the main reseller if you're a reseller, or over on our PromptROI.ai reseller retail site, where you can go and run prompts and do all that fun stuff in here. 472 prompts at your disposal. And again, when you become and sign up for an account, you get AI chat, you get co-pilots, you get the toolbox, you get everything inside of here. Okay. So anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of your week. And I'll be back with more updates soon. Talk to you later. Bye.